success. Your head's a supernova, and you would like anything to stop the pain from your fingers screaming. And you stand naked